Hi friends! 안녕 친구들! It's me, Mimi! I don't know about you guys, but I'm at home almost every day and I'm bored. 거의 맨날 집에서 있으니까 심심해. So, today I decided to make a delicious banana split. This is a banana split. It's basically a banana split in half with ice cream and all the delicious toppings I can think of. Woohoo! All right, friends, let's go to the fridge and get our ingredients. Lego, Lego! Welcome to Mimi's Cafe! 환영합니다! Okay, let's check the ingredients we need to make a delicious banana split. First, banana. Next, fruits. I had pineapples and blueberries in my fridge, but you can use anything. And the main ingredient, ice cream. Ice cream. We scream for ice cream. And then some sprinkles. Oh, it's pink, like my shirt. Next, whipped cream. Just kidding. And last but not least, chocolate syrup. All right, we have all the ingredients we need to make a delicious banana split. Let's go. Let's get ready to make the banana split. First, we have our banana. All right. Yummy banana. Oh, and I washed my hands. Make sure to wash your hands. And we will cut the banana in half because it's a banana split. Oh, I'm going to cut it with a kid-friendly knife. Remember, knives can be sharp, so be careful. If you don't have a kid-friendly knife, just ask an adult to help you. Here I go. Perfect! Okay, now let's put the banana into a bowl. Ooh, look at this bowl. It's pretty flat. Oh, but don't worry. If you don't have this, it's okay, as long as the banana fits. Now, we're going to put one slice into the bowl, like this. And next slice. Like this. Wow! Okay, going to clean the area first because it's kind of dangerous. And then we have the ice cream. Ooh. Okay. How many scoops? It's up to me. A lot of ice cream. Perfect. Next, we'll put some of the fruit. Remember, you can use anything. Vitamin C, a vitamin C, a vitamin C. Okay, you can design it any way you want. Why? Because it's all going in our tummy. So good. Okay, next, the whipped cream. Oh, whipped cream. Shake, 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 shake. All right. Beautiful. chocolate syrup. Okay. Go crazy with the chocolate. Okay. And then last, the finishing touch, the sprinkles. Oh, gotta be careful. And voila! We have our banana split. I better eat it before it melts. It's time to eat the banana split. Okay, let's go. So good. 너무 맛있다. Great. That was so delicious. 너무너무 맛있었어. What? Are you laughing at me? Why? I don't have chocolate on my face. Where? Here? 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 Oh, I do have chocolate. All right. Now the important part. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And also leave a comment below if you want to make something even more delicious next time. All right. I'll see you next time.